Hey everybody, Billy here. Hex Innovate have just released this. This is the new product from them, the Hex ezSWITCH. This is a handlebar mounted and illuminated switch that can control auxiliary products that you have on your motorbike, such as the Lone Rider motor lights or a phone charger or a sat-nav device. It's really easy to install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing with you and show you what's inside the box, how to put it all together, how to install it. I've got the Yamaha Tenere, so I'm going to install it on my Tenere, and then the functionality at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Obviously, you get the ezSWITCH and the brains of the ezSWITCH here and the cabling for it there. You also get these two extra cables. This one here is an adapter. This one here is a little pigtail that allows you to connect another device or another accessory that draws no more than 2 amps. You will also need, if you run the motor lights from Lone Rider, you will also need this splitter cable as well, and I'll show you why you need that shortly. You also get a cable tie. Now this is to connect the actual ezSWITCH here to the handlebar. So what it does is that it just fits underneath the ezSWITCH, wraps around your handlebar, and you zip tie it on. That is how it's connected to your handlebars. So without further ado, let's get this installed on the bike and show you how to do it. So here are the components laid out on the table. Let's show you how to connect everything up first. So there's the ezSWITCH and the ezSWITCH plug. So here is the brains of the outfit that's going to operate everything. So on here you will have marked ends. So this one, I don't know if you can see that here, but this is the switch end. We've got the output here as well as the ezbus here. So what we're going to need to do first of all is to connect the adapter cable to the cable that says ezbus. So that just plugs in like that, and then the end that says the switch obviously goes to the switch end. So that is now by and large the setup. If you run the motor lights on your motorbike like I do on my Tenere, you will also need this splitter cable. This end will plug into the white cable that comes out of the EasyCan, which is the ezbus connection. And then these two ends, one will be for your motor lights, either one, and the other end will be to connect your ezSWITCH to. And so those two ends connect motor lights and ezSWITCH, and that connects to the EasyCan on your EasyCan on your motorbike. Let's go over to the Tenere now and take a couple of panels off so that we can connect the switch and run the cables and show you how to get that done. So ready to take the seat and a couple of these panels off here. I may be lucky in that I don't need to remove too much, but I do need to be able to run the cable from the front of the bike down and to where the ezbus is situated, EasyCan is situated at the back here. So let's start taking off a couple of panels so that I can run the cable. Right, I need to take this panel off, definitely, to help. So on the front end here, now that these 3 screws are out, you've got 3 plastic screws on the front edge on the inside here that need a 1/4 turn, and they just pull out. So there's 1, need a 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. There's 2. There we go, that's the 3rd one. Lift off now, quite easily. The indicator has a cable that you'll need to unplug. That's pretty straightforward. There we go. There's that cable there. There we go. That's that one off. I am going to have to take this one off here. So that's got a Torx head here, one here, and one here. So for these 3, you need a Torx 30 and a Torx 25. this one. You have got a connector here as well, a screw here as well. Right, so it's supposed to go on your handlebars. You can see I've got my Oxford heated grips. It's quite busy in this area here. So what I'm going to do is attach it to the actual grip, the handlebar grip. And I'm going to have the controller just sat here. So it's going to sit there just like that. So I will cable tie that on. Pull the cable tie through a bit more. So that's where my ezSWITCH will sit. So that's nice and tight. Going to cut the excess of the cable tie off. So I've still got plenty of room for my handle, and I can operate this easily with my thumb, which is really convenient. I couldn't really put it anywhere else. I couldn't put it down here, so just positioned here is perfect. So what I've got to do now is cable tie this cable to here, follow it down behind, down through the triple clamp, and then underneath. So let's start to feed this down behind the triple clamp now. So that's where it's going to go. Down underneath there. So it's come through the same way there, okay. Right, so I've got the cable through now. So before I do anything else, I'm going to put the paneling back on before I do anything else. So here's the cable. Right, it's not quite reaching at the moment, so I'm going to have to adjust the cabling here to push this through a bit more. And for that to just slip underneath there and connect up. Right, that's just about the perfect length. So that's all connected up, that's connected up, motor lights are connected up. So that's got to be there, that's got to go. So there we have it. There is all the cabling, motor lights, EasyCan, ezSWITCH cabling, all now connected. So only thing that's left to do now, put the seat, well actually, plug in my laptop, update the EasyCan, get it all sorted out. So let me show you how to do that. So my EasyCan is now connected to my laptop. Now that the ezSWITCH is installed, we can do the relevant updates and programming. So let's open the EasyCan app, desktop app. So here we are. I know that I'm in the white circuit, denoted by this white circle here. I'm going to check the ampage here. The motor lights run off 20 amps, so if this was anything different, you would just click on it and then select the appropriate ampage. So if you're running multiple devices, just add up the ampage for your devices and then select the correct option for the total of your devices. I've only got the motor lights, and the ezSWITCH doesn't take any ampage, so it's just 20 amps. Next thing I need to do is to scan for the ezSWITCH by clicking on the ezbus. That's already in there. I just did an update and it's obviously recognized the ezSWITCH already. If it hadn't, all you would do is click on scan and it would recognize the devices that you've got connected. So I've got my 2 motor lights plus the ezSWITCH, so I can close that. So what I can do now is come down to the ezSWITCH section. If you had more than one ezSWITCH in this section here, you would have the relevant reference numbers for each of those ezSWITCHs. I've only got one, so there's only one there. And with this section here now, the linked circuits, I can check I can select what I want it to do. So I've got Lone Rider motorcycle lights here. So that's the one I want it to control with. And that's it. So now that we've updated the software and programmed the ezSWITCH, time to show you the operation of it. So you can see it's not on at the moment. So one press will switch the ezSWITCH on. And what that will do, this is controlling my Lone Rider motor lights. So what's actually happened now is that at the front, the DRL orange or white ring lights of the motor lights, that is now switched on. To program or to control the other part of the lights is simply press the illuminated light here, hold and press until there's a flash of the lights. With that light flashing now, every single press thereafter will increase the intensity of the motor lights, and you can press up to 10 times to get it to full capacity, and then if you press it one more time, it will switch off.